Big Tractor Power fans, this video comes to you from south central Wisconsin, where a 93 horsepower ALLIS-CHALMERS 200 tractor is putting up hay with a Sperry New Holland 273 Square Baler equipped with a bale thrower for direct loading of the hay wagon. In this presentation, I would like to share with you the tractor's production history, specifications, and original price tag. But first, let's head out to the field so that you can see and hear this 1970s Baling team hard at work. The ALLIS-CHALMERS 200 tractor was new for model year 1972 and manufactured in West Allis, Wisconsin through 1975. A total of 1,126 units were produced during that time period. The tractor is powered by a 4.9-liter, 301 cubic inch ALLIS-CHALMERS 6-cylinder turbocharged engine rated at 93 PTO horsepower. The tractor is equipped with a 48-gallon diesel fuel tank. This tractor features a constant mesh helical gear transmission with 8 forward and 2 reverse speeds, allowing it to travel from 2.2 up to 16.9 miles per hour. When it rolled off the assembly line, it weighed in at 7,324 pounds, and it can be fully field weighted up to 11,300 pounds. When the ALLIS-CHALMERS 200 tractor was new, it had a base list price of $14,125. I hope that you've enjoyed spending some time out in the field with this ALLIS-CHALMERS 200 tractor working with the Sperry New Holland 273 Square Baler. I would like to hear in the comment section below this video if you use ALLIS-CHALMERS tractors on your farm. Tell me about the model that you're running and the implements that it operates. If you have appreciated this presentation, I hope that you'll consider subscribing to Big Tractor Power YouTube, where there's over 3,000 videos of farm machines in action. As always, thank you for watching.